What's up, YouTube? MrDavinci here with another video. As always, it's nice to see you. If this is your first time coming across my channel, I'd like to welcome you to the family. Welcome to the gang, because at this point, the channel's growing expeditionally. Had to use the TI word. And I appreciate each and every one of you who continue to come back and support the channel by watching these videos. So big shout out to you. In this video, we're going to be covering how to, give me a second here, adding products to your Shopify dropshipping store easily, step-by-step walkthrough. So make sure that you're following along with me. Stay all the way to the end. This ain't going to be a long video. On my channel, I like to give you no fluff, straight to the good stuff. And make sure you're following along with me so that we're able to get this set up. So first things first, you want to go to google.com. You want to type in Oberlo. And before we go to Oberlo website, which you just seen me on, you want to go to Oberlo. Yeah, we're going to say Oberlo Chrome extension at the top of your browser. And it's going to be the first link right here. Going to click on that. And we're going to wait here a few seconds for my computer to load up. Right, it has loaded up. Now, I already have Oberlo installed on my. It is right here. Now, as you see, it's gray right now, but once we go to AliExpress, it will turn blue, and I will be able to import my products from AliExpress to my Shopify store. So stay with me here. I just wanted to show you how you can install it for free on your Google Chrome web browser. So next thing, we're going to come back to Google. Google. All right. We're going to type in Oberlo. Going to hit search. And you're going to come right here, not the first link, not the Shopify, but the link underneath says Oberlo.com. I already have this open in a new tab. This is what it should look like on your Google Chrome browser. A few seconds here, just want you to catch up with itself. Yes, this is what it should look like when you log into your Google, when you open this in a new tab, or when you just have this in your current tab on your Google Chrome extension. This is what it should look like. If you don't have an account, you're going to need one for your Shopify store. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to show you what it looks like behind the scenes on the dashboard. But if you don't have an account, you click right here, get Oberlo now. They'll help you set up an account for your Shopify store. Moving along. Actually, there's one thing I want to show you before I do that. My bad. So what you want to do is you want to come to the Shopify App Store, which I'm not logged into. You want to type in Oberlo. And again, this is a free app. You don't have to pay for this. It's free up to a certain amount of sales. Don't quote me on how many sales at the moment. We're about to take a look. But I've had Oberlo for 2 years now. They haven't charged once. So as far as I know, it is free. But I do know once you start making sales, you do get charged. But don't worry about that. Don't let that distract you. And well, they're not going to let me look at it because I'm not logged in right now. But come here. Shopify. You want to go to apps.shopify.com. You want to type in Oberlo. You want to click add app right here, and you'll add that Shopify. Or it's going to take me back to Shopify. Add them to your store. I'm going to keep on scrolling down. Yes. So it is free. You need to launch, and they have a basic plan for $30 a month who import up to 10,000 products into their store. And they have a pro plan, all the features you need to scale your business, unlimited order, multiple users, integration with numerous sales channels for $80 a month. So the free plan is basically what you're going to need. I don't see a reason for you currently, unless you're scaling, doing 5-6 figures, or why you will have 10,000 products in your store. So the free plan should be good. Then you're just going to click here, add app, and it will go straight to your Shopify store. So now that I install Oberlo, this is what it's going to look like when you create your account. Currently, I'm signed into one of my stores, and I went to search products. You can try testing some of the products that's on Oberlo, but I mean, they got some decent products, but they're not the products that I'm particularly looking for. So we're going to go over to everyone's favorite website, which is AliExpress.com. I already have a my store. So, but what you want to do is you want to come to AliExpress.com. Make sure you go logging into the English version so that you're able to see what you're getting yourself into. And I'm going to show you different ways for you to import your product. You want to do your niche, or if you want to do some research, a good way to do that is just right here what says clothing, men's clothing. Clothing accessories is going to be selling right now. Computer, office, security, consumer electronic, jewelry and watches, home and garden, toys, kids, babies, home and outdoors, beauty, health and hair, automobiles, and motorcycle. There's a bunch of different categories for you to choose from, but I already have my product because I went to dropshiphunter.com, which is the first link in the description. Also, pinned below in the comment section, use code MrDavinci20 to get 20% off for your first month. And I'm looking at these cool LED Christmas hat beanies that I will potentially be testing. You're more than welcome, if you see this video, to test it as well. Now, as you see, I have a certain app that's why you see this popping up on the screen. Don't let that distract you. And as you can see, Oberlo button is now blue. So there's two ways you can do it. You can click on the Chrome extension up here, but once you already have it installed, you just click on this blue button right here on the side that says push this product to Oberlo. Product imported successfully. So now what we want to do, we want to open this in a new link. Bear with me here, just a few more seconds. All right. Here we have our LED Christmas beanie. So we're going to come here. We're going to change this title. LED Christmas beanie. We're going to add to our collections. Homepage, yes. Tags. LED Christmas beanie. Create tag. Search type LED Christmas beanie. This is just to help with SEO so that you can get some organic traffic along the way. Have a description here, but I'm going to use the description for dropshiphunter.com. So if the screen freezes or go blank, it's because I went to another part of my I went to Mozilla Firefox because that's where I have dropshiphunter.com on. So don't think that the screen froze. I'm just coming here to copy my description. Go ahead and copy. All right. I am back. Going to do all this right here. Give me a second. Control V. There we go. Nice, ready to go. description provided through dropshiphunter.com. Later on, I'll add some gifts, probably a video. I already have a ready to go video ad, again, provided through dropshiphunter.com. Here we are in Oberlo. We going to, let's see, United States e-packing. So product is about $7 and some change. Oberlo right here suggests that we sell this product for $20. I believe I can get at least $24.99, so we're going to put $24.99. Apply. So our profit will go up to $17.78. And then I like to set it so that people think it is 50% off. So I'm not going to put $49.99 because that's really unbelievable. So we're going to put $44.99. So people think that they're saving about $20 on this product. Next, we want to go to images. Very nice images. Fa la 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 la. Let it snow. Bite me with the gingerbread man. Ho ho ho. Oh dear. So I like all the images that they have selected. Be aware that when you import images to your store, it's very important. I will show you another video, but when you import this product listing to your store, you want to, I can't do it here, but you want to go to alt text, and then you want to put the, what is this? LED Christmas beanie. So I will go through all these pictures, go to the alt text and put LED Christmas beanie to help with my SEO, to help me get free organic traffic. And then once you're done, you're just going to click import to store, and boom, it is being done. It is being imported to the store. And that is how to go from step by step adding products to your Shopify dropshipping store, easily step-by-step walkthrough. If you enjoyed this type of content, leave a like, smash that like button. Let me know you enjoy this type of content. It also helps this video get seen across the YouTube platform, across other users, because you're in my customer avatar, men and women ages 18 through 40. Consider clicking on my face, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I release daily videos Monday through Friday. Check out all my other trainings that's popping up on the screen. This will help you go from A through Z, through 1 through 100 on everything that you need for Shopify dropshipping and e-commerce. This is being your friend and mentor, MrDavinci. Leave any questions, comments, concerns that you have below. I will do my best to respond to all of you. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.